Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok rewards not working problem on your TikTok account. So guys, if TikTok rewards are not working on your TikTok account, here I will show you how can you fix it. But before going further, you have to simply make it sure that your account is not disqualified or dismissed. And if your account is disqualified, then you will not be able to get rewards from TikTok. And after this, you have to simply make it sure that there is no issue with your payment method and you are using e-payments for your TikTok account. So guys, make it sure, and after this go for further solution. That is, you have to simply open your profile and now tap on three lines button and now tap on settings and privacy, and now you have to scroll it below all the way and tap on report a problem, and now scroll it below and tap on TikTok balance, and now tap on rewards withdrawal issues. So as here you can see this, simply tap on this, and from here select your problem whichever you are facing right now. Here I am selecting I am unable to withdraw my earnings, and now scroll it below all the way and tap on no button and tap on need more help, and from here you have simply send this message from here that you are not able to get rewards, or there is rewards problem on your TikTok account and you are unable to withdraw your rewards from TikTok account. So guys, simply tap here the message, and after this send this to the TikTok team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.